Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your live website via terminal. And this is very critical skill because in the production, you actually don't get the UI, especially most of the website is hosted in Linux systems. And Linux systems, when you log in, there is no UI. You will not be able to click here. You will not be able to open the terminal in UI and updating like a UI terminal, right? So you can't do that. You need special skill, which is a terminal skill, and then VI editor or nano kind of terminal skill you need, and you can do only that. All right, so let's move on. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 things. Number 1, Apache file locations, where actually you need to go and edit that file and edit in the terminal, VI editor or nano. So in this video, I'm going to show you VI editor because this is very popular and I think every Linux guy should know the VI editor. Number 3, you will learn how to go live instantly, save changes, and immediately you see the changes on the web pages, right? So you can fix the same way in the production system. At the end, I'm going to give you some key information which can help you to prepare AWS certification. Let's move on. If you are new here, I am Chris from iCloud Excel. I'm ex-Amazonian. I have spent over 23 years working in IT infrastructure and AWS cloud technologies, including over a decade in Silicon Valley, San Francisco, helping organizations to build solutions on AWS cloud. On this channel, I help you master on AWS cloud, DevOps, AI through simple explanations, real-world scenarios, and hands-on learning. This skill is really important because in the production, you are not going to click here and there and then fix it. You just log in, open the terminal and edit it and then fix it and save it and refresh the page. You will see the new content in the page. So what you need to do, you need to know SSH to the instance, and then you need to play with the terminal and you need to open that HTML file and then result, edit it, and then result shows up on the browser. How actually it works is you SSH in and then you go to the web root folder, var www.html, that's a root folder. And once you go there, list the files, open that index.html or any other HTML file you want to edit, and then open in Vim editor, VI editor. Vim is the VI's latest version, and edit that HTML using Vim editor, and then you're good to go. And save and exit it. Step 1, SSH to the instance. Step 2 is you go to the root folder var www.html, and then step 3 is list down the files you have, and then you execute sudo vim that file name, right? And step 5 is make you edit and save and quit. All right, :wq, and it will save and quit. All right, once you're done, then you should be able to see that page on the website live changes and verify in the browser. All right, let me show you in the console. So here you have EC2 instance, and you see one EC2 instance is running. This is a web servers, running web servers. And if I want to verify whether it's running or not, you just go ahead and click on networking and get this public IP and open this one, http:// that public IP, hit enter. This website is running, automated EC2 website. All right, so now same instance, but I'm gonna connect via SSH, right? So EC2 user is the default user and key Mumbai is the PEM key I created. You have your own different name, but the command structure is same. All right, I'm in a, then go to that root folder var www/html and ls-l, or ls is also fine. Oh, there's only one file. So here I am, vim index.html. This is the vim program I'm using. So this is the only one file. So automated EC2 website, boom. So I'm gonna hit I for insert, say, hey Krish, my name is Krish, how are you? Krish from iCloud Excel. All right, so hit escape and then : then wq. All right, boom, read only file. Okay, this is read only file, I cannot change it, so I have to do sudo, right? Sudo vim. Now you can change it. Okay, so go hit the right arrow and I'm here, then insert I, then say, hey Krish, do you work for iCloud Excel ? question mark. All right, escape and then WQ, enter. All right, so this file changed. If you want to see index, see that file is updated. If you go to the browser and refresh, this should change. Refresh, boom, you didn't have to restart the service, you didn't have to do anything, you just updated the content. It is a live change. And this is how in the production you change the file. You see, I use the terminal, there is no UI, and that's how you do work in production. All right, thank you so much for watching this lesson. Let me go back to the presentation again. Before we go any further, I want to tell you about something which is going to change how fast you can grow on AWS. I have built a private community called 10x AWS Builder, and it is not just another Facebook group or Discord server or WhatsApp group with a lot of noise. This is focused and professional community built specifically for people like you, people who are serious about building their AWS career, passing their certifications, getting hired or promoted to the next cloud role. Here is what you get the moment you sign up. Weekly live Q&A calls. Ask me anything about AWS certifications, jobs. This will be live Q&A weekly sessions. I hold that Zoom call and you get answer instantly. And we can brainstorm as well on your problem. And you get direct mentorship. I will personally help you to build your learning roadmap, your certification path, fix your gaps, and keep you accountable for your goals. And I will guide you on this every step of the way. Third thing, you get 24/7 community access. At night 11 PM you got a questions, just post your questions. Our community never sleeps. Someone from your community member will answer it. And you get peer network of serious AWS learners. The people who join 10x AWS Builder, they are not here to watch passively. They are building, certifying, and landing cloud jobs. And that energy is contagious. Link in the description below. I will see you in the community. Some key information like I wanted to share more. There are some real world use cases like emergency fix. This is how you do emergency fix in production. And second use cases will be portfolio builder. Let's say you have a portfolio running in live website and you can demonstrate this portfolio from the web page, and if you want to change, you can change live. And if you're a student, right, you can play with the Apache web server, you can play with HTML, and you can test it out on a live server, and you can learn HTML as well. So for student also, this kind of setup and terminal is gonna help, because Linux server you don't have a UI to play with. And for the certification exam, you don't get direct questions like this, but this knowledge will help you to understand the question better. So 4 things you remember. One is root folder var www.html. Then you have to use the sudo. Then third point is you allow port 80 in security group, and you use EC2 user data to build that web server. Before you end this video, 5 things I need you to remember. Number 1, the root folder var www.html, sudo, nano you can use as well. Nano is another editor software. You can use that to edit that file. And control O saves, control X exits if you use nano. And if you use Vim, that escape :WQ, W for save, Q for quit, and then you're good to go. And changes go live immediately once you change that way. Port 80 must be open in security group to access that web service. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this gives you idea about how you can update this live web servers. And if you got time, join in the next video. Thank you. Peace.